Hi everybody, this is Heather of Rowanwood Art, and I have pieced together somewhat of a video for you guys for Powerhouse Customs. We put together a truck and got it running, and I learned a lot. This was my pretty much first time actually doing all of that work. It was fun. I like it. I like getting dirty. Anyway, I only had little clips of stuff to work with, so it's not that much of a video, but the next one I'll try to do better, I promise. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks.
It's record.
Well,